and welcome to today's video. We're talking Boxycharm choices for July 2021. Were y'all shocked? Were you surprised? Were you expecting it? So much we're going to talk about. But before we jump into today's video, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome to the very coffee strong hot mess named Rhonda. Anyways, over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we have fun, keeping it cute, putting on mute, talking, playing, doing all the things with makeup, beauty, hair care, skincare, whatever it may be. Y'all, the iced coffee, super mighty strong, and I'm loving it. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so if you are new to Boxycharm, they have two monthly subscriptions, the base and the premium. We're going to be talking about them both. Now, I also do pay for the base box, which is $25 a month. You do get to customize one item in the box, and it does typically have a retail value of at least $125 or really close to $125. Now, as y'all know, for June choices and pop-up, we darn near actually seem like broke the internet, or at least Boxycharm's website, whatever. However, I will tell you all, I was able to slide right in there, make my choice for the base box for July. Absolutely no problems. Did make an order for my Boxy pop-up. Will I be going back and checking out for more? Yes, probably, but I did and was able to pick up one thing that I always goes so fast. I'll talk about that later. Anywho, let's talk about what the choices were, starting off with the base box. Again, the $25 a month box. First and foremost, the first one was by Pharmacy. This is the Whipped Greens. It does have a retail value of $28, and this is an oil-free foaming cleanser. So this was the first item of my choices. The next few items were what some may say are repeat items. If you have received, I believe, a premium and or luxe box, honestly, y'all know around here, Mama's brain is mush 99.9% of the time. So we're going to start off with the first item that I did see, which I will tell you, last year when this was a choice, I believe, in premium, it went fast, like crazy fast. This is the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. It does have a retail value of $50. I do have this in my collection. It was a choice item that at the time when I think it was the premium box, I was purchasing that one. I did go ahead and go with it. I will tell you, the formula is absolutely beautiful. The color story, it's very light, very airy, and very perfect if you aren't into really wild, loud colors. If you're more of a neutral type of person, this is going to be the palette for you. I will say I love the way everything built up, blended out. It was nice. Moving on to the next item that we did see in choices. This is by Alamar Cosmetics, which we have seen several times in the past in our Boxycharms. I want to say this was something that was a variation in past boxes when it kind of first released. I could be wrong. I could be thinking about her blush palettes. I don't know, but I do remember when the Alamar Cosmetics, this is the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio release, $25, and I remember commenting on Twitter, I really hope you bring this to Boxycharm. Her formula is absolutely beautiful. If you've never tried Alamar Cosmetics, this would be a great time to pick it up, especially if you're looking for some bronzers. And I may have this in my collection. I don't know. I literally made my choice, did some add-on shopping, and jumped over here to make a video for y'all. But I will say I absolutely love her formula and her formulation, and I think you're really going to enjoy this one too. It's going to kind of be a hard choice as far as that goes. Retail value $25, and you do have a choice of 3 different complexion colors, so light, medium, and deep is going to be available. The next item, this is where I forget if this was a premium or a luxe item, but this is by Ofra Cosmetic. Again, I do have this in my collection. Now, y'all know I love Ofra Cosmetics. I really thoroughly enjoy their eyeshadow, their highlighters, their blush, their bronzers, oh my gosh, their lip gloss. And here lately I've been playing around with their full coverage foundation. Everything's really, really good. So this is the next item. This is a full face palette, good to go mini mix palette. and I think if you chose this one, it was a really good option as well. So I need to know, what were y'all's thoughts as far as the choices went? Did you like them? Did you enjoy them? Were you disappointed by them? I mean, personally for me, I only purchased now the base box. So in the past, had I not purchased the premium or luxe, whatever it was, I know that especially the Ofra Cosmetics palette and the Illamasqua eyeshadow palette went fast. And I've seen it it was in add-ons a while back. And again, it was one of those items, both of them, where they sold out very, very fast. So let me know y'all's thoughts on these choices. Were you happy with them? And are you bothered that they have been in past boxes, past add-ons, past pop-ups? Let me know your thoughts down below. Nicely. We don't gotta be nasty. We're keeping it cute. You know what I mean? You know. Anywho, I do not purchase the premium box, so I had absolutely no idea what the choices were going to be. However, good old Boxy Sneak Peeks was bam right there on Instagram letting us know what the choices were for the premium box for July. Y'all, the premium box is $35 a month, and you receive about $175 worth of goodies. Now in the premium box, you now get to customize 2 of the items in there. Now we saw a while back, Joe kind of did a little sneak peek where we saw a premium box full of Anastasia, okay, ABH, because you know your girl don't enunciate. Anywho, so we saw a whole box full of ABH products. Ready? Here we go. First choice we had was between the 2 Norvina palettes. This was the first, and I believe the second, maybe the third, maybe it was the third palettes that she released, which is like kind of under the umbrella of ABH. And you had your choice of the more purpley one or more of the warm tone jewel colors. Y'all, I kid you flippin' not, I was like this close to resubscribing to the premium, and I may be a week, and I may do it by the time we get off this video, because holy guacamole, those are mighty pretty. And for $35 you get to choose one of those. But wait, there's more. I'm not done. Can you tell? An Italian Gemini with ADHD talking with my hands. Really excited about this, because then we had choice number 2 of 3 different items. Again, they were all ABH. The first one is their bronzer. So I've never personally tried the ABH bronzer, but if y'all have, let us know down below, especially if you have the premium box. What were your picks? What were your choices? Well, okay, well, stop. We know what the choices were, but what did you choose? I'm really excited about this. This is like the first time in a long time that I feel like I've gotten really excited over choice when it comes to Boxycharm. Next we had the ABH, this is the loose powder. Now again, when we did that whole sneak peek spoiler, is ABH doing a takeover? This was one of the items that we were speculating was going to be in the box, and boom, it's been confirmed. It is a choice. And I have to say, I actually really like the fact that they did do this loose powder as a choice. Now y'all are gonna have to let me know, there are multiple shades to this loose setting powder. Did they have that choice available, or was it straight out the gate translucent your only choice? I don't really know. Anyways, the last item in here is a hydrating oil by Anastasia, and well, okay, I keep saying it, but we all know it's all ABH. Again, I've not tried this particular item, so if y'all have, let your girl know down below. I'm curious, is it one of those hydrating oil drops that you can mix with your foundation? Like you see on Instagram where people like dot the foundation all over, and then they put like the pretty oils or whatever on, and then blend it all together, and then they have this beautiful, luxurious looking, glowy, dewy skin. Is that what that is? Because I don't really know, but I'm definitely curious about it. So this, I have to say, I know, like I heard there was so much speculation, like 100% this is coming to the July premium box. I did not know that. I did not know that. Some of y'all were in my comment section saying you had seen some videos on it, but I never saw anything. So I'm pretty excited about it. And like I said, I am like that close to signing back up for the premium box because this is really exciting. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've gotten this excited over choices. I need to know, what are y'all's thoughts? I have to tell y'all, personally, I love the fact that Boxycharm is letting y'all choose which eyeshadow palette, which ABH products you want. Because if you remember, was it March 2020 or March 2019 when the Fenty Beauty did a whole takeover? There was no choices. It was like, boom, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Zero choice. You just got it. So with this, I'm really, really happy to see that they heard us and that y'all wanted to make choices on it and you're getting to make a choice on it. I think that that's absolutely amazing. Side note, it has not been 100% confirmed it will be an ABH takeover, but that's kind of where I'm leaning towards. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. So after you go ahead and you make your choice for July, then you can of course shop some add-ons. Now if you are new to Boxycharm and you want to sign up, I do have a link that I always keep down below. It's not an affiliate link. I do not make a commission whatsoever on it. It's just a way for y'all to just click it and go about your business and sign up for Boxycharm. I do want to let you know that you're going to see a little picture up here. If you do decide to sign up for Boxycharm, you can either put in the code CELEBRATESKIN or Dazzling Eyes, and you will receive either the, oh, what is this one? Georgette Cleanser Vitamin C Mask, which you all had actually told me in the comments section is actually a really, really good mask. So if you're into skincare, this may be your jam. If not, then Dazzling Eyes gets you the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette, which if these blues are your color, boom, there you go. Something for everybody. Plus you will receive a $10 credit for your add-on. So go ahead if you want and sign up today. Make sure to put those coupon codes in, I believe at checkout. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's at checkout. Then, you know, it'll add everything to your account. So as far as add-ons went, as of right now, your girl jumped in there and I did grab the Tan Luxe lotion because that stuff is amazing and it's only $9, and if you go to Sephora, it's like $30 and $33 something, I don't know. But $9 definitely has my name written all over that. So anyways, I am hopping off for now so I can go ahead, get this video edited and uploaded and scheduled for y'all. Let me know your thoughts down below. What were your thoughts on the base choices? Did premium come through? And was it a better choices than you expected? Better choices in the base box? I have to say, I do think premium stepped up, and that's going to be the shining box for the month of July. Anyways, friends, all information will be down below for y'all, as well as the coupon codes. And don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. My top is from Rosie Day's Boutique. If you are curious, on my cheeks, I do have my Blink Glow Getter face palette they sent over. Y'all, this thing is only $30. In the next like 15 videos, you're going to hear me talk about how amazing this is. I'll try to remember to link it down below for y'all. Code RHONDAGLOW will save you like 25% on this $30 palette. Highly recommend, totally worth it. Not an affiliate code, just a way for you to save some coin. And on my eyes, I do have the beautiful Makeup Geek Matrix Neutral palette. It is the berry tones right here. Absolutely love this palette. And of course, code HOTMESSMOMMAMD will save you 10%. That is an affiliate code. Just letting y'all know. Anywho, that is all for today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.